everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about implement access management for the applications. So let's go ahead and start. So go to Azure Active Directory. In this you can see there is an enterprise applications. Click that and you can see we have different applications. So let's go ahead and create a new application. So you can see here we have different applications, so you can select any one of them. So in this case, let me go ahead and select, let's say ServiceNow. So let it be ServiceNow. Let's go ahead and create. So it takes some time. So once it's created, we can assign a specific users to that particular application. Let's see how we can do that. So you can see users and group. Just click that and click user group. Just go ahead and click that and you can select here. Let me assign my username. Just click select and assign. So this particular user will be having access to this ServiceNow platform. So this is how we assign the users to these particular applications. I think you have understood how to assign users to this application in a small demo. So if you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you.